YouTube, what's good, man? I'm doing unboxing of the Good Counsel. Y'all can see. Yes, sir. As I was looking into this company, I was looking online to see if anybody else had purchased videos on YouTube. I ain't seen none, so I really decided to do an unboxing with y'all, let y'all know how everything is. We'll go from there. I'm 6'5", 350 pounds. I wanted to try some new things. I'm also a music producer, engineer, so I sit down a lot, work out when I can. You know, I'm gaining weight, so let's see what's in this box. Okay. First things first, nice flag button up. Rock this some Timbs or something like that. You know, nice little button up right here. I get this a 6. Not really my style, but make it work. Regular white tee. Everything. Okay. What? Another button up. Long sleeve. Something nice. Alright. I dig them. Some joggers. Nice little material too. What is this? Polyester. Spandex. Oh, spandex. Oh, yo, I love this sweater right here. Yes, sir. This is green right here. This me right here. All day. What y'all think about it? Definitely let me know. I get a closer look at it. Nice little sweater again. You feel me? Yes, sir. Polyester joggers. It's nice. Nice little button up. All black. Plain white tee, and then, you know, nice little shirt right here. I can dig it. Appreciate y'all coming by, taking this video out with me. Peace.